esteemed partners from international organizations, distinguished key officials of various national government agencies, advocates for environmental sustainability, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of you. It is my privilege to be part of this significant gathering where we convene to discuss and drive transformative solutions to one of our most pressing challenges, achieving sustainable urban mobility in harmony with the environment, our economies, and the Sustainable Development Goals. The Environmental Management Bureau of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources stands firmly committed to addressing environmental concerns. The Clean Air Act, or Republic Act 8749, is the cornerstone of our efforts to ensure air quality management and mitigate emissions. This landmark legislation underpins our resolve to advance a sustainable and inclusive transportation system while safeguarding public health and the environment. Achieving this vision requires innovation and bold actions. The Philippines is taking significant strides to innovative policies, integrating environmental standards and emission reduction targets. Our efforts to modernize public transportation underscore our holistic approach to tackling pollution and climate impacts. These advancements demonstrate the potential to decarbonize the transport sector while fostering economic resilience. Investing in green infrastructures, such as dedicated bike lanes, pedestrian-friendly pathways, and electric public transport systems, prioritize accessibility, safety, and sustainability, empowering our cities to transition to low-carbon pathways. Today, as we discuss solutions and share best practices, I urge all stakeholders present in this forum to strengthen collaboration and commitment. Together, we can scale up sustainable transport systems that embody efficiency, equity, and ecological integrity. May we champion policies that advance cleaner and greener mobility, accelerate investments in innovative technologies and green infrastructure, and advocate for inclusive and equitable solutions that empower communities that will restore biodiversity, natural ecosystems, and a clean environment. Thank you and mabuhay.